What's up, y'all? Jumping into this video because I want to give you this tea real quick, real easy. Y'all, I'm literally just starting off with shampooed hair and also conditioner. I know that I'm starting off fast paced just because I really want to get to the meat of this, but it's so imperative that you guys start off with freshly washed hair. So if you guys want to know what I'm using, I am still actually using the Cecred. I'm saying still, I don't know that I have ever actually brought my official review of the hairline to YouTube, but let me know if that's something you guys want to see. I'm loving the shampoo, the exfoliating shampoo, and then I usually follow up with the hydrating shampoo, and then from there, Design Essentials almond butter conditioner does the job each and every single time. Okay, you guys, when I created this video, I had no intentions on trimming my ends, but I knew that it was needed. If you guys are already following me on Instagram, you guys would have already known what's happening with Instagram and TikTok. Also, you would have known what's going on with my hair. I've been asking everybody, are we doing a big chop? Where are we going with the head? Okay, yes. So if you have not already casted your vote, definitely let me know down below, where are we going? What are we doing? Anyway, now that the hair is fully blow dried, you guys always ask me what blow dryer am I using. Is actually the Pattern Beauty one. Super efficient. When I tell you, I pretty much get my hair dried in 10 to 15 minutes max. Yeah, and I mean, I'm usually using medium heat, so I've been able to avoid a lot of heat damage using that blow dryer. So I'm really excited that I got the chance to use it, because I'm girl, I have not picked up any of my other dryers since using that one. Anyway, I created this video to pretty much teach you guys how to get the parting right for the braids. This is actually the second or third time that I've ever used this brick layering pattern without me just starting to part and then literally going in to just braid my hair. So bear with me, okay? I'm actually teaching you something that I've just recently started to use on my own self. And it's been years since I've actually braided a client. So I don't even remember how I would start off. Honestly, I don't. But in this situation, you guys, super easy. Split your hair down the middle. If you need to play this back, play it back as many times as you feel needed. I would absolutely recommend getting a trim before starting braids, because what's going to end up happening is that friction is going to cause your hair to continue to break off. That's exactly what happened to me. I skipped a few trims and was oh, I'll do it next week. I'll do it next week. Next week turns into a month, 2 months. Now we have breakage. So that's pretty much been the story of my life. I really want to give my hair a reset, but you guys can see I split that hair down the middle, and then of course straight across the back. So from the very tip of your ear, right below where that front piece of your hairline starts, literally split that into half. And then from here, you're pretty much just sectioning out the widths. Whatever width you want your braids to be, consider the fact that you're going to be parting this into a box, and just know that okay, if I make this part too skinny or too wide, right, then you're going to have to create a box to match that as well. So keep that in mind. Practice makes perfect. This is something I'm still perfecting, and you don't have to spend so much time really trying to perfect these parts with edge control and all that, because you want to make sure that you're using fresh products. You don't want it to have sat. Of course, we'll probably be doing these braids for anywhere from 4 to maybe 8 hours, depending on the size. Just want to keep that in mind. You don't want that product just kind of sitting. It can definitely turn white, just kind of irritate the scalp. So think about those things when you do get started with the braiding. And this is a great example. That section in the middle was not perfectly parted. I probably could have even gotten away with doing an additional row. Y'all know a lot of times I keep my styles in pretty much every time for a week to max 3 weeks. So when I stretch it to a month, I'm really just feeling myself, okay? I mean, being lazy for the most part. And when I say that, it's no shade to any of you guys. If you decide to keep a style in for an extended period of time, but you are not managing your hair, then yes, this is actually a message for you, because I have done that so many times. I end up going past that 3-week mark, and I'm oh, I'm gonna wash my hair, and then I don't wash my hair. I don't condition it. I don't spray it with water and a little bit of leave-in conditioner. I'm just solely relying on that style to keep my hair protected. And usually when I take it out, my hair is suffering. Of course, super dehydrated, needing some moisturizer, and we have to break out of that habit. By we, I mean me. So you guys will get the chance to follow me along this journey, and I'm really excited to share with you. Watch this back as many times as you need to. with or without me talking. I love y'all so much. Y'all know she's a gapper, okay? A yapper. Is it? Get me together. Ciao.